A lot of you know that I talk about motorcycle safety, motorcycle awareness a lot, and how us motorcyclists need to be seen. And it goes the other way around too, where we need to make ourselves seen. Well, yesterday I got a news story I posted on my community page that on June 25th, 2022, a woman, 47-year-old woman, crossed the center line multiple times and hit a motorcycle and a motorcyclist and killed him. He was sent to the hospital just right down the road from me. The Anoka County Fairgrounds are just right up the road. They're not too far from me. But the hospital he was sent was 3 miles away from me. So, and he died in the hospital. I do believe you. But here's the thing. This is why I say stay off your cell phones while you're driving. When the police were finally able to access her phone through a warrant, I'm guessing, to be legal, they found out she had used Snapchat multiple times while driving. She was sending video messages showing her driving, showing her actively driving and talking with the camera facing her. This is one reason why I don't do YouTube lives when I'm driving. I did it once, one time, and I haven't done it again. So I can't say I'm innocent, and I won't say I'm innocent. And it also showed her that she had made multiple phone calls at that time too. You know, Google Maps and Spotify, cool. Pull over if you have to. I've done it. Like I said, I'm not saying I'm innocent either. A lot of people I know aren't innocent. And right now, I believe she's going to be going to trial, and she's looking at 5 years maximum for criminal vehicle operation, which is a felony charge. 5 years max. This is why I say stay off your cell phones. This is why I say watch out for motorcycles. Because there's a lot of people out there that say, well, it ain't going to happen to me. I can do this while I'm driving, blah, blah, blah. There's one example of a person who probably said, I can do this while I'm driving, I'm good, this, that, and they killed the person who was also on a motorcycle. So, next time you drive and you get on your phone while you're driving, think about it. Whose lives are you really putting in danger? And I always say, the next life you could save would be mine, my brothers and my sisters, the people I care about. We have families too. I'm a dad, a husband, a son, and a grandpa. And a very, very loyal friend to my families. So please, stay off your cell phones. Because if you don't, us motorcyclists don't have a chance. Not a one. Be safe, everyone. To my motorcycle family, to my biker family, stay safe. keep that rubber side down and shiny side up. And pay extra attention because these people on their cell phones, they're not. Take care. Be safe.